Happy Thursday out here at Woody's Custom Landscaping. Yesterday was nearly 70 and today it's raining again. Typical spring here in the Pacific Northwest, but we don't mind. We got our artificial turf rolls up there. Today we'll be compacting this gravel, raking it smooth, compacting it some more, just regrading it so we don't have any hips and dips in our artificial turf area. As you can see on this red line here, we'll transition from the taller bladed artificial turf and go down to a putting green around the trampoline. There'll be 2 holes that can get filled in, one being over here and then one being on the opposite side. But this is what we're up to for the remainder of the week and a couple days next week. All the turf is going to get cut so it fills into all these joints of the boulders. So it's a little bit of time consuming, but it's going to have a nice look at overall. We added some lights around the edge. We ran the wire yesterday, so we just got to install the lights here shortly. Last October, we built this section of the project. This is the Mega Arbels with the dark charcoal border. Got the tandem ashlar fire pit and the tandem ashlar seat wall. The columns here have lights as well. Of course, we got the easy joint sand. We saw this in October, and it's, you can see it's hard as a rock. So I mean, that's why we like using this easy joint stuff. Super easy to install. We even used the dark black stuff on the caps here. Filled it in really nice. Coming back in phases to do projects isn't always a good thing. You get to check on your work. If there's any imperfections, you can fix that for the client. All of our stuff comes warranted for 5 years on our hardscape, so it's important that it stays good for a long time for us. This morning we got Edward, Ben, and Jesus on this project, and Garrett, Jaden, and Jim will be coming a little bit later. You guys have a good morning. You guys rock, and I gotta roll, so catch you later.